Hi, my name is Summer. I'm the nurse at Ashland Natural Medicine. Today I'll be walking you through a salivary hormone specimen collection kit. First, I'm going to unravel everything in the box and show you what's in here. You have a FedEx prepaid envelope, has a stamp that can be applied. We have an instruction pamphlet, very good for referencing. The requisition sheet, which will have your detailed information. Then you have a questionnaire. Then in the kit, you have your specimen collection containers. A nice ice pack. You will want to lay this flat, like so, and freeze it as soon as you get the box. Have it frozen because the specimen must be cold when you ship it out. If you find that you're missing any of these items for the salivary hormone test kit, please call our office and we'll supply what's not given or give you a new kit. I will start with some instructions from the instruction pamphlet you can reference back to as well. Preparation. There's some preparation to this test. 2 days before your collection, please avoid melatonin, all nuts, fruits, fruit juice, wine, and rice. I know, it's hard. It's 2 days. 2 days. You can do it. I believe in you. On the day of collection, please do not take supplements until after you've collected all 4 specimens. Also, do not eat or drink anything 1 hour prior to your saliva collection. You don't want to have any sediment or anything in there contaminating the collection. So it's very important that you rinse your mouth with water, wash your hands 10 minutes prior to each time you collect your saliva. Do not consume food or drinks that contain caffeine. I know, that's only on the day of collection though, just 1 day, you can do it. The use of cosmetics other than anti-aging creams is permitted. Please, if it says anti-aging on it, just avoid it for the day. The recommendations are important. I want you to review these carefully. If you have any kind of hormones that you're taking, such as estrogen, progesterone,
testosterone,
or DHEA, that there are recommendations for you to follow to avoid these while you're taking the test. Also, it is recommended that you avoid taking cortisol or glucocorticoids supplements during this test. Please avoid melatonin at least 36 hours before your collection. For women, this gets specific on when to collect. Women with menstrual cycles. Collect 1 day during days 19 through 23 of a 28-day cycle, counting the first day of your period as day 1. 1 day, so you're going to take 1 day to collect all 4 vials, and that 1 day should be in between days 19 to 23 of a 28-day cycle. If you vary in your menstrual cycle, please call our clinic for further instructions. Postmenopausal women, they can collect any time of the month. And if you're a man, luckily you don't have to worry about any of this stuff. You just collect any day that works for you. I know that sounds like a lot. If you have any questions, feel free to call the clinic, not a problem. Moving on to collecting saliva. There are 4 colored vials and 4 clear straws, which you can use to assist in funneling the saliva. If you use a straw, please toss it out. Don't reuse it for another tube as it can contaminate the other tube. Another note, very important, please put your name, first name, last name, date of birth, date of collection, and time of collection for each vial. This is done so that the lab knows who this test belongs to, so it's very important that you please fill that out. We're going to talk about this first collection, which is the most important for timing. The others work around your daily schedule and your meals, but the first one is very time critical, and that is the morning collection, 30 minutes after you awaken. You're gonna wake up and you're gonna set your alarm for 20 minutes. And then at 20 minutes, you're gonna wash your hands and rinse your mouth and spit the water out and reset your timer for 10 minutes so that at the 30-minute mark, you're collecting your saliva in the first tube, which is the pink tube. The pink tube is collect before breakfast, 30 minutes after awakening. So it's gonna be before food, it's gonna be before water, pretty much before anything. You can use this tube To funnel your saliva into the tube, it needs to be about 3/4 full, and bubbles are okay. After you've collected in the tube, snap it shut and put it right into the freezer because these will all be frozen before you mail them out. You will do this 4 times. 1 before breakfast, upon the 30-minute awakening. 1 before lunch, that is the green tube. 1 before dinner, and that will be the orange tube. And 1 right before bedtime. That will be the blue tube. All of these should be collected an hour before you eat. Freeze them right away. Also an important reminder. Before each saliva collection, you need to wash your hands and rinse your mouth out with water. Just a rinse and spit, by the way. Don't swallow the water. Moving on to shipping. So you're going to grab your baggie and you're going to put it with your ice pack, frozen, on top, in the styrofoam box. You're going to mail your requisition. These items will be highlighted for you to fill out. Please fill those out before you send it in. Fold it up, put it on top of the styrofoam along with your questionnaire, and place into the FedEx envelope. Has self-adhering section here that you can tear off, seal it closed, and put your FedEx label like so. On the pamphlet here, there's a FedEx number you can call and have them pick it up right from your doorstep, or see where the nearest drop box is for you to just take it and drop it off. I hope this test goes well for you. Again, my name's Summer Blue. Please call the office if you have any questions. Have a great day.